Hi, Chef Mark here from Mark's Easy Kitchen. Today I am making chicken cordon bleu. You know, chicken cordon bleu is a classic dish. It's always delicious, presents well, and most of all it's easy, real easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, let's go over our ingredients. So the first thing I have is 2 chicken breasts. I have some black forest ham. I have some Swiss cheese. I have 2 eggs. I have some flour and some panko mix. And for my sauce, I have some milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, a tablespoon of flour, and 2 mushrooms. Now using a sharp knife, I will butterfly my chicken breasts, but not cutting all the way through. I will then open them up, cover them with parchment paper, and just use a mallet and just pound them till they're nice and flat. Now once I've done that, I'll remove the parchment paper, and I'll season them with salt and pepper and a little bit of parsley just for color. Next I'll add my ham, and I'll spread that over as evenly as possible. And then I'll add my cheese, and if I have to, I'll break off a piece of cheese just to make it more even. Now once I've done that, I'll roll them up nice and tight. Now I'll show you a way of rolling them up where you don't have to use a toothpick. What I do is I roll them up nice and tight in saran wrap, and I place them in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Now once I've done that, I'll take them out after about 2 hours, and I'll unwrap them, and I will dip them in flour. Just roll each one in flour, then into the egg mixture, and then into the panko mix. And then I will set them in a baking pan with parchment paper, or you can even use a no-stick spray, that works well. And I'll place them in the oven at 375 for about 35 to 40 minutes. Now while I'm waiting for my chicken cordon bleu to bake, I'm going to take a tablespoon of butter. I'll add that to my frying pan, I'll melt that, and then I'll add my mushrooms that I chopped up. And I'll saute my mushrooms until they're golden brown. This won't take very long, just a few minutes. I want to do this on medium heat because I don't want anything to burn. And then once I've done that, I'll remove the mushrooms and set them aside. Now in the same frying pan, I'll take the remaining butter and I'll melt that, and I'll add a tablespoon of flour, and I'll use a whisk and I'll mix that around with my whisk. And this will only take about a minute or 2 to cook. I want to do this on medium to low heat because I don't want that to burn either. So once everything is all cooked, I'm going to add my milk, and I'll just stir that around with the whisk, stirring constantly at low to medium heat. It'll start to thicken almost right away. Then I'll reintroduce my mushrooms, and there is my mushroom cream sauce for my chicken cordon bleu. Okay, so the cordon bleu is in the oven for about 40 minutes at a temperature of 375. I took the temperature. I was looking for 165. It was 170, so that's just perfect. Now it smells amazing. I can't wait to try a piece, so here we go. Wow, that's good. Nice and cheesy, you can really taste the ham. Wow. That mushroom sauce is perfect. Perfect addition. Really nice. That's a really nice dish. Try another piece. That mushroom sauce really makes it. It's really good. Oh, it's beautiful. Well, there it is, my friends. Chicken cordon bleu. Until we eat again, I'm Chef Mark from Mark's Easy Kitchen. Cheers.
Wow.
Hi, me again. Today when I made chicken cordon bleu, I made a mushroom sauce. Well, you can use any kind of sauce you want, or no sauce at all. Just find one that pairs nicely with this dish. I also use black forest ham and Swiss cheese, but of course you can use any kind of cheese you want, or any kind of ham for that matter. And if you want to add a flair to your cordon bleu, add some shrimp or some spinach. That'll look really good and taste really nice as well. And I rolled my cordon bleu in panko crumbs, but there's lots of different mixes you can use. Now this dish doesn't have to be baked in the oven. It can be fried or deep fried. You know, cooking can be difficult, but it doesn't have to be. So go ahead, be the cook, be the chef, be the mad scientist in your own kitchen. The people you cook for, let them be your guinea pigs. Just don't poison anyone. So go ahead, my friends, keep on cooking, and bon appetit.
"こんなに甘い